It's story time. Story time. Let's read it story time. Story time. I'm Geek this story time. Story time. You and me, it's story time. Story time. Let's achieve. Hello, my K crew, and welcome to story time with me, Kayla. How is your Wednesday going? I think officially, since it's after Labor Day weekend, everyone has started school. So if you are just starting school this week, happy first week of school. And I hope everyone has an amazing and safe school year. Now today we have another special author feature. Today we are going to take a look at a book from a returning author, D. Preyor. We had the honor of featuring 2 of her books so far, and today we are here for her 3rd book. So, without further ado, the book we'll be reading tonight is called Owen Learns to Manage Money, written by D. Preyor. You ready to see what this book is all about? Ready, set, let's begin. Owen Learns to Manage Money, written by D. Preyor. Here we go. Look at all those investing strategy work. We got some credit cards, a bank goal, and ultimately make a plan. Yes, we are going to learn so much in this book, and I am excited for you all to read along with me. I dedicate this book to all the young entrepreneurs. Follow your dreams. And don't ever stop. Here we go. Today is my birthday. Everyone came to my house and we had a good time at my party. There was plenty of food, cake, and carnival games. I received money, gifts, and gift cards from my friends and family. Ooh, that does seem like a poppin' party. After the party was over, I sat on the floor and read my cards and counted my birthday money. I counted all the money I received. I had $75. I wondered, what should I do with my birthday money? What should I buy, or should I save my money? Ooh, those are 2 important questions. For now, I will put my money in 2 separate accounts. One for saving and one for spending. I really want a new video game system that is coming out soon, but it is expensive. I will need a lot more money. I need to figure out how I can earn more money so I can buy it one day. That's good. He's going to put in 2 separate accounts, so he's going to save some for later and save some to spend now. Maybe he can buy something small like some slime at the store or something, or maybe some candy or a nice birthday treat. Just then, my annoying older sister came into the room, stood in front of me, shook her head, and rolled her eyes. Owen, you better not spend all of your money. I'm not going to loan you any more money, she said. I know, I said. Hey sis, what are some ways I can earn some money? Ooh, that's a good question. Well, if you must know, I created my own babysitting business called Arya's Babysitting Service. My slogan is, if you want to go out for the night, Arya will treat your kids right. Catchy, isn't it? She stated. I guess it's okay, I said. Maybe I can work for you and babysit, I asked. Aha! Babysit for me? No. You can barely tie your shoes. You will not babysit for my babysitting company, she stated. I frowned up at her and said, I can tie my shoes, and I do not need your company. I can start my own business. That's right. Create your own plan. My sister shrugged her shoulders as she left the room and replied, You better go ask Mom for some help. I was mad and defeated. Arya has always been good at saving money. I am still working on learning to save money. There must be other ways to make money. Maybe she is right. I should ask my mom. Mom, what are some things that I can do to earn more money? I asked. Well, son, you can set up a garage sale at our house and sell some of your old toys and video games that you no longer use, my mom suggested. Great idea, Mom! I'm going to get started right away, I joyfully said. That is a good idea. Just because you're not using it anymore doesn't mean someone else wouldn't want it. I ran to my room to grab a notebook and write down some ideas on what to sell and how much I was going to sell each toy. Ooh, this just made me think of a good question. How much would you sell your favorite toy for? Would it be like $1 million or like maybe $10? My family and I created a flyer and posted it around the neighborhood. Once Saturday came, we set up a table and sold my old toys and games. I made $60. This was awesome. I made more money than I expected. Ooh, it's even better when you make more money than expected. So you see, he had a plan. He wrote down and made a list of the things he wanted to sell and how much he wanted to sell it for. And then he went through with his plan. He executed it. And he was able to make money, and bonus, he was able to make more than he expected. So check him out. See, you gotta make a plan. Just like the money I received for my birthday, I divided my money up into separate accounts. One for saving and one for spending. Ooh. So now he added some more to his saving account that he had added to earlier in the book. And now he has a little more spending money too. Very, very good. I saw my dad in the office on the computer. Are you working, Dad? I asked. I am just researching some stocks to invest money, he said. What is a stock? I asked. A stock is a company that you own a tiny bit of from investing your money, my dad explained. Could I invest in some stock too? I asked. You sure can, he said. He set up a kids account for me and even let me pick my own stock. I chose a stock that sells video games that I like to play. I cannot wait to see how much it grows. I told my dad that I am trying to save up enough money to buy a new video game system, and if he knew more ways to earn some money. See, you can never be too young to buy stock. There are so many out there. Some of them are even as cheap as $1, so definitely look into that. My dad told me that I can start my own business. We will think of things you can do while walking the dog tomorrow. A light went off in my head. That is it, I said. I can create my own dog walking business. Ooh, that's perfect because who doesn't love to walk a dog? And it's easy. Great idea, Owen. We will go around the neighborhood and see if you can earn some money from walking the neighbors' dogs, my dad said. That is a wonderful idea. We knocked on a few neighbors' doors, and 2 of them said I could walk their dogs for $5. I walked the dogs and earned $10 for today that I can put in my bank. He's doing that saving again. Before heading back inside our house, my dad checked the mailbox. He just received his new credit card. What is a credit card? I asked. Owen, he said. It is a card that you borrow money from and promise to pay back later. Emphasis on the pay back later. You have to pay back your credit card. You can't just leave it hanging. If you do a good job and pay it back on time, you can get more money to borrow. Is that the same card Mom uses when we go to the store? I asked. See, there are so many ways you can pay for something with a credit card, money, cash. Mom uses a debit card and credit card. They both look alike, but they are not alike, he replied. Debit card takes money from your bank account, and credit cards let you borrow the money. So the debit card is all the money that she has in her bank account, and the credit card allows you to borrow money that they have, and you can borrow it and you have to pay it back. But when you use your debit card, you don't have to pay it back because that's your money that you're taking out to pay for that slime at the store. Do not spend more than what you have or can pay back, he added. There are many more rules and responsibilities that we will talk about later. I understand, Dad, I replied as we headed back inside the house. If there's not $1 million on your debit card, don't spend $1 million. It won't even work. And if you can't pay back $1 million, don't spend $1 million on a credit card. Save, spend, earn. There are many ways to earn money, spend money, and save money. What will you choose to do with your money? Will you be like Owen and save money, spend money, or earn money? Good question. The end. Yes, Skate Crew! It is so important to save your money because when you save now, you're looking out for yourself in the future, and sometimes your money can double. And even if you're saving your money, you can still treat yourself to nice things from time to time. What are some things you would do to make money? Let me know in the comments below. Now, I hope you enjoyed reading this book as much as I did. To find your copy of this book and to check out her other books, make sure to head on over to her website, and you can also find her books on Amazon, and be sure to follow her on social media. A big thank you to Preyor for all the love and support and for also writing these amazing books. You all need to check out her books for real. I thank you all out there for joining me, but it's time to sing goodbye. But wait, can you clap for me? Ready and go. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. My friends, goodbye to you. I hope to see you again real soon. Be proud of all your work tonight. Now climb into bed and sleep real tight. On the count of 3, let's say goodnight. 1, 2, 3, go!